Okay, so this is a little video about saving seeds. We have a whole lot of brassicas here which are dead and gone, but they all throw up these quite large seed areas, pods. So we are now just going to show you how you just cut them off gently, preferably before they get so dry they just fall out. And let's just go over here and have a look at how they can get saved. So here we have them in, I've put them in a wheelbarrow and laid them on a kind of sack, and so as you can see they some are a bit greener, but most of them are bone dry and they're just ready. Let's see if we can pop one. See if we can. Yeah, there we go. There's the seeds. So they just fall out. So zoom back out. And if you're careful, you can save them. And there are all the seeds. There are all the seeds just there. Alright, so those can now be saved. And here are some others that I've saved. The other way to do it is just put them right side stalks up into a bag. That's the same ones. These are broccoli, although I'm not quite sure because they kind of got crossed a bit, but we'll see. So these ones are a good little lettuce, small red lettuce, and it's a good idea to label them. And I labelled them all. Silver beet with a red stalk, and that one's another lettuce, and as you can see then the seeds can fall into there and get kept. So I hope this helps you. And then when the plants are, you've taken the seeds off them, this makes good food for worms. I'm going to chop up some of these and give them to my worms. All good. So that's how I saved my seeds.